A pier foundation can save you over $2,000 compared to a concrete slab. But in the wrong situation, that savings could lead to a catastrophic failure. Today, we're putting these two foundation titans head-to-head in a showdown. Piers versus Slab. Which one is right for your build, and which one will save you money without sinking your project? Welcome back to Container Curious and our Builder's Rulebook series. The foundation is the most critical and most expensive part of your initial build. Choosing the wrong one doesn't just cost you money, it can compromise your entire structure. Today, we're cutting through the debate and giving you the professional breakdown of the two most common choices, so you can make the right call. Round 1. The Cost Showdown. Let's talk about the numbers. The biggest difference is the sheer volume of materials and labor. A full concrete slab for a 40-foot container requires a massive amount of excavation, formwork, rebar, and multiple truckloads of concrete. This puts the average cost well over $5,000. A concrete pier foundation, on the other hand, is surgical. You are only digging and pouring concrete at the specific points where the container needs support, usually the four corners and midpoints. This drastically reduces the cost of materials and labor, often bringing the project in for under $3,000. For budget alone, the pier foundation is the clear winner, saving you that promised $2,000 and often more. Round 2. The Speed and DIY Factor. A concrete slab is a job for a professional crew. It requires heavy machinery for excavation and grading, and a team of finishers to pour and level the concrete all at once. It's a complex, multi-day process. Piers are the DIY builder's best friend. You can dig the holes one by one, mix and pour the concrete in manageable batches, and set the forms with basic tools. A well-prepared builder can complete a pier foundation in a weekend. For speed and accessibility for the DIYer, Piers win this round easily. Round 3. Durability and the rust factor. This is where the fight gets interesting. A monolithic concrete slab provides a massive, stable, and immovable base. It's incredibly durable and offers excellent protection against ground moisture, especially if you add a vapor barrier. However, a pier foundation is the undisputed champion of rust prevention. By elevating the container several feet off the ground, it creates a massive air gap. This allows for constant airflow that keeps the steel underbelly of your container dry, preventing the condensation and rust that can kill a container sitting too close to the ground. For long-term steel preservation, the elevation provided by piers gives them the edge. Round 4. Versatility and site conditions. A slab foundation demands a perfectly level, stable site. It is not a good choice for sloped land or areas with unstable soil. Piers are the most versatile solution. They can be easily adapted to a sloped lot by simply making the downhill piers taller. They're the go-to solution for difficult terrain, allowing you to build on sites where a slab would be impossible. When it comes to adapting to the land you have, piers are the undefeated champion.
So, who's the winner? If you have a perfectly level site and a bigger budget, a slab offers incredible stability. But for most builders, especially those on a budget, working on sloped land, or focused on DIY and long-term rust prevention, the pier foundation is the clear and decisive victor. It's cheaper, faster, more versatile, and better for the health of your steel. If you need professional, easy-to-follow plans for either a pier or a slab foundation, we've linked the blueprints we trust in the description. We've also gathered all the essential tools for this work, from augers to concrete mixers, on our official resource page. That link is below. Don't let this be your final decision. Make sure you watch the full Builder's Rulebook playlist to understand all the non-negotiable rules for your entire build. And remember, this is not a substitute for professional advice. Always consult with a local structural engineer and follow all local building codes. Your safety is your responsibility.